What's up, y'all? It's Tahoe 317. And today, or tonight, I have some life tips for you because I've been through a lot of things in my life. I've about seen it all. So, while I'm talking, there'll be some music playing in the background, and it's all copyrighted by me. So, I just wanted to put that out there. It's all owned by me and copyrighted by me, so I wanted YouTube to know that. But anyways, I've had a rough life, as most of us have, and what that does is it creates the diamond reality. A diamond, when you find a diamond, it's dirty, it's rough, it hasn't been cut yet. It's like a rock, a dirty rock. But under extreme pressure and a lot of pain, a lot of flame, becomes a polished diamond. I call it God's diamond. It's God's diamond. Anyways, so I'll go on to say another life tip. As you might know, Thomas Edison created 1,000 failed experiments because the 1,001st was the light bulb. Reggie Jackson struck out 2,600 times, more than anybody in the history of baseball, but nobody remembers the strikeouts. They just remember the home runs. This life will be rough, but you gotta get up and you gotta fight. You gotta fight, you gotta roar. You gotta roar. And all the answers are in the Bible. All the questions and all the answers are in the Bible, y'all. That's where you should seek your answers. And if you don't seek the Bible, I just say seek a higher power. That's what you need to do. I'm not here to discriminate on nobody, but having a higher power is very good. But me, myself, I'm a Christian. Always have been. I pray every day. I pray without cease. I pray constantly throughout the day. And that's what will help you. You need to pray all day, every day. You need to pray from the time you wake up to the time you go to bed. You need to be praying about your loved ones. You need to be praying for negativity to be gone out of your life completely. You need to ask God to protect your house and your family and you. And on another note, you want to protect your family, with your life, like me. You want to be real loyal. I would die for my moms. That's my mom, my sister, my aunt, and a few more family members. I have nieces and things, but I have very few family. Mainly my mom, and that's it. And that's how it's been since my dad died. And life is gonna throw you curves. Like I said, you just gotta get up, and you gotta always get up and keep moving, keep strategizing. And there's gonna be different seasons where you elevate, guaranteed. I've went through seasons where you attract stuff like I attracted my Tahoe. I attracted this house. I'm a homeowner now. Big things happened. Then that season ended, and then the music thing came. 2000 hit. Can't See Me came out with me and Raid and Russ Go Rush. That was a big deal to me. Making a music video, another one collaboration with a big time artist. Starting off 2022 was a big thing for me. So there's different levels. You gotta recognize that. And you know, I would really take these things in and soak this stuff up, because I know from experience. And also, you know, you want to stay away from cigarettes and drinking, man. Cigarettes and drinking ain't gonna get you nowhere. It's that's poison. That's what they want you to do. So don't drink. Don't smoke cigarettes. You can drink occasionally, just not all the time. And don't binge drink. And don't over drink. Don't ever get drunk. Never get drunk. You can get tipsy, but don't get drunk. Don't get sloppy drunk. All this is off the top of my head. I didn't write nothing down. Eat good. That's the biggest thing I'm working on, is you know, taking care of yourself. That's like the last thing that comes. So you want to take care of yourself. You want to eat good. There's so many fruits, herbs, and foods that can fight off all kinds of sicknesses and stuff. So and that benefit your health, that you know, build your immune system, give you good skin. You know, you'll be glowing. You know, so eat good. Don't be eating fast food all the time. Fast food will give you a fatty liver, and you will end up in the hospital with surgery. In a small town somewhere that you don't even know about. So don't do that. What else is there? Commitment is key, y'all. Commitment. You know, you can never finish anything unless you commit to it. So, you know, and commitment is money. Point blank. Commitment is key to everything. Like social media posting, consistency is key. Just be consistent with your videos. Don't post too much either on your social media. Don't post too much, because give other people a chance to get some views of themselves, which I'm sorry and I'm guilty of. You know, I post a lot, but that's just how it goes. But don't sign to a music label, y'all. Do not do it. There's no reason in the world I would sign to a music label. Why in the hell would you sign to a music label? You own your own music. Distribute it yourself. You can put it out on Apple, iTunes, all that yourself. You just got to get the right knowledge. You just got to study and work hard, and you'll learn how. And copyrights are important. You want to copyright stuff that you find really important, that you don't want anybody getting a hold of course, you know, ideas, anything. Make money, you know, make a lot of money. Like, hustle hard. Hustle all you can. You know, and investments are good. You know, like my chain right here. This is my life insurance. If I die, this gets me a headstone and a decent burial. So, think about the future. You know, you gotta think about the future. But I don't want to make this video all drawn out, y'all. It's been a long time. But, much love. I love y'all. I hope you benefited from this video. And subscribe for more. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when my new videos hit, because I come with that viral stuff that nobody else has in 4K always, or 8K. So be sure to be on the lookout for Tahoe. New music, new videos, everything. Alright, y'all, I'm outro. Later.